Hi, I'm Sharan, and today I'm excited to announce that the Mixpanel MCP server is releasing a ton of new functionality, from the ability to create dashboards, analyze reports, and manage your Mixpanel metadata through our lexicon capabilities, all through natural language in the tools of your choice, such as Claude and ChatGPT. Let's start with a simple example in Claude. I just want to understand how my product views are performing, broken down by product category. Here you can see Mixpanel MCP server connected to Claude, and it starts by understanding what project to use, what events to use, what properties to use, before it runs through an analysis and gives me the answers that I'm looking for. Here you can see some results coming through. It has analyzed the product viewed event across the last 30 days and suggested the result set here. You can see that apparel was the top category. Digging deeper, I want to share this with my team. So our MCP server provides a URL, which I can share across my team. I can also break this down further. Say I was interested in particular product names. As you'd expect from Mixpanel, this is fully interactive and you can slice and dice your data as you please. Sometimes you need more than a simple report to get all the insights that you're looking for. I'm interested in learning more about my onboarding flow, so let's ask our MCP server to go and make a board for us. It's doing its thing. It's trying to find the right events that are relevant to onboarding related events. It's found my project. Now it'll go through the event flow. Great, it's identified the pathway that's relevant to an onboarding flow, and it will go ahead and create the right reports that will feed into a board inside Mixpanel. The MCP server is now creating the dashboard, and you can see it's provided me a link. It also includes a summary of all the reports that it added inside this dashboard. Let's go take a look. So in the Mixpanel board that we have over here, there's a onboarding funnel, some insights related to sign-up trends, new user retention, and the top flows that users take after they sign up. So just with one prompt, we can see that we've gotten a pretty comprehensive overview of onboarding related events, and you can now understand your funnel, your sign-up trends, and your top flows very easily, and share this with your team. As teams grow, as products grow, data governance is one of those processes that sometimes does not follow along as your company scales. We believe that with AI, data governance follows the pace of your imagination, and we can take a look at how we see data governance through the help of our MCP server. So let's take a look at all the events that we have and perhaps understand what event descriptions we have. We've identified a few onboarding related events. We'll edit all the onboarding events with descriptions and mark them as verified. Great, you can see all the events have been updated, and we have a summary of all the changes that were made. Let's go into Mixpanel to see what it looks like. And you can see all the descriptions have loaded up over here for all of the events. That wraps up this example. Thousands of customers are already using the Mixpanel MCP server to query, analyze, and manage Mixpanel through their favorite tools such as Claude, ChatGPT, Notion, and Gemini. Wherever you want to run, the Mixpanel MCP server is available for you. Links to our documentation and how to get started in the comments.